So, you've just heard that chatting, your first dropshipping order has landed on your Wix store. Let's make sure you handle it like a pro. First, head over to your Wix dashboard and click on Orders to view the details. Carefully verify the customer's name, shipping address, the products ordered, and any special instructions, because accuracy is key here. Next, contact your dropshipping supplier, forward them the order details, including the customer's shipping address and the specific products purchased, making sure you double-check the product codes or names to avoid any mistakes. Now, confirm with your supplier that the items are in stock and ask for an estimated shipping time. Once the order ships, your supplier should provide you with a tracking number, which is crucial for keeping both you and your customer informed. Update the order status on your Wix store by adding the tracking number, and immediately send a friendly email to your customer, letting them know their order is on its way and providing the tracking information. Finally, monitor the shipment's progress and be prepared to answer any questions from your customer. Prompt and helpful customer support is essential for building trust and turning first-time buyers into loyal fans.